to download Instagram Reels without watermark. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to download Instagram Reels without watermark. So in order to download the Instagram Reels, just simply open your Instagram, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials, and after that just simply click on the Reels section from the left hand side menu, and over here just select the Reels that you would want to download without any watermark. So for example, I want to download this particular reel right here. Just select the reel as per your liking. So for example, I want to download this one. Just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the reel itself at the right hand side. Just simply tap on it, and over here just simply click on share to and click on copy link from there. And now the link has been copied. Just simply open your Chrome browser, and on the search bar just simply search for Snap Insta download, and just click on the first link and just paste the URL that you have just copied from the Instagram and click on download. And once it is done, your reel will be downloaded in your device, and then you will be able to watch it without any watermark. So this is basically how you will be able to download Instagram Reels without watermark. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.